Before we can say anything, I would like to ask you something first. Is there anything that you guys cannot do?
Kanda Nyanum Varam Thrissur Puram Kanan.
Something that left me awestruck throughout, from the very scratch, from the time the curtains were raised till the time the children waved by in their ramp walk.
Nyanum Varam Thrissur Puram Kanan. Kanda Nyanum Varam Thrissur Puram Kanan. Puramenikkunu Kananam Kanda.
All the performances were very good. It was spectacular. I mean, I didn't expect out of my child actually. And today I just saw him dancing. It was just so overwhelming and I thoroughly enjoyed the program.
And we got to witness a very, very unique and very, very classy, very international theme. So yes, our little minds, our family is expanding. It is going beyond the horizons, beyond the expectations, bringing an international theme on board, from going to Desi to being international. So hats off and kudos, bravo to the entire team at all the levels.
Real fun. Like for me, I think it's always nice that you like train him to show him dance. Like we've never seen those at home. Like he's a very different person in school, which is like a good version. So that's like real fun. And today was amazing. Like I like the whole 80 minutes of world tour. That was great.
I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000